What's up, tubers? Welcome back to the channel. No, this is not an unboxing. It's not a side-by-side comparison. I will be opening these kits. It's not a video about anything. Basically, I have a build idea, and I want to see which one of them is going to be better suited for it. I've teased it a while back. I want to build... there's a video game that has one of these in it. They call it the Banshee. I've got some other stuff here that I've chosen that also may or may not be used. I've got some body kit stuff and some seats and, you know, diffusers and different wheels and some bits of plastic that try to make a you know, a front lip, and we'll see. You know, we'll see how much of it I actually use. This one I've opened the seal and have looked at what's in it. I'm almost positive I want to use this one because of the roof structure. I don't know what this one looks like, so we're gonna open it right now. Pardon my reach. Nope, wrong knife. That's the super sharp one here behind the camera. We'll slice it, pull it, flip it, shake it. Again, not an unboxing. Just want to see for myself, and I figure while I'm doing it, I kind of, yep, that's what I figured. I've looked, you know, online at different ones and stuff, and this one doesn't have that rear roof support, so this one will be much more suited for what I have in mind. Come on, sorry, plastic noises. Just take it all the way out. Get it out of there. I originally thought maybe make a four-wheel drive version one, you know, a big lifted monster, but probably not. The monogram kit, as you know, I've looked through it, through the bag, and seen it's you know, pretty simple. It's not super complicated, but it's got nice details throughout. I'm sure it'll build up to be a nice model. I don't want to stray too far from stock. You know, most of the changes that I'm going to be making will be on the body. I might use some over fenders, or, you know, I might change out the seats. We'll see. I mean, it does have a nice set of seats in it, and a really cool, again, pardon my reach. Man, I messed up your bike, dude. It's got floor mats. That's kind of cool. So that's really about it. I just wanted to post something. It's been a minute. I know, got other nonsense going on, and this is the next build. This is what we're going to be working on. So we'll see what happens with it. I'll post some more pictures here of the Banshee that I'm talking about, and see if maybe I can't find some video of the actual video game. See if I know anybody that plays it. Cash me outside. Alright, that's about it. Thanks for watching. We'll see you.